The genre of rom-coms, romance, is hands down my most favorite. Every time I go onto Netflix, I'm like, आज कुछ नया rom-com आया है, हम क्या explore कर सकते हैं? I remember it was 2023 November when Rongita and I got in touch. Tanya called me. She's like, there's this thing. I think you're gonna love it. Just read it. मुझे dengue था, मैं hospital में थी. And she just told me it's a romance. मैंने बुखार में Royals पढ़ना शुरू किया. Because I was like, it's a romance? That's so rare. That doesn't happen. And I just couldn't stop. I remember telling my team then that, can I get another episode? एक और episode करके मैंने पूरी series पढ़ ली थी. And I have to say that it's by far been one of my most wholesome experiences. The time all of us spent together is something that till date we cherish. I've made some really, really, really close friends on this set. It is just a safety net that you fall back on. And I'm just very lucky that I got to play Sophia because there are so many shades in her.
I think the writers probably had references, inspirations, those which, if I take the names, perhaps we will be shut down, so maybe I shouldn't. But all jokes apart, I think being that it's sort of a modern satire on modern royals, I think the inspirations were young royals, and beyond that, what was most inspiring to me was the inner world of this character, because on the face of it, this is a very bingeable, snackable, fun show with all the fluff, with all the fun, with all the shimmer. But as you go deeper into it, you start seeing the inner world of these characters and you start seeing the cracks. And there is meat on the bone. And as an actor, that was very exciting to me, is that you get to play both of these, these aspects. Yeah, I think that's what was most inspiring to me. And then I had a very inspiring team. I was padded with a set of wonderful, wonderful first women, which seems to be a recurring theme in my career. I think more than 50% of my collaborators in leading roles in the roles of directors, cinematographers, have actually been women. So I'm kind of molded by women creators. And I think it made my job that much easier because I had that gaze to fall back on, and because it's a romance, I was just like, tell me what you need to do and I will have it delivered.
First of all, I'm true blue royal sitting on the wrong side of the bench. I should be there. I'm king of comedy. Self-proclaimed, by the way. I've given myself that title. In fact, in college, I was called Your Highness because I was always high. I'm joking. But, coming to the lighter side of it, what did I bring to this was the first time I met a royal, I didn't know whether to shake his hand, do namaste or touch his feet. And I thought Hukum was his first name because everyone kept calling him Hukum, Hukum. So I asked him, Hukum, what's your surname? I didn't know Hukum means Maharaj or, like the boss. So I had these little fumbling problems when I met royals for the first time. So I got that into this show, I think. I tried to do a little bit of overacting, but then this beautiful woman team actually controlled me and said, relax. You're not in Houseful, you're in Royals.